What's the meaning of Chicano? Chicano. Chicano.
Chicano. Chicano. Chicano is a term used to describe Americans of Mexican descent, particularly in the context of political activism and cultural identity. It emerged during the Chicano movement of the 1960s and 1970s, as a way for Mexican Americans to assert their unique cultural identity and fight against discrimination. Chicano culture incorporates elements of both Mexican and American cultures, and emphasizes pride in heritage, bilingualism, and social justice activism. Today, the term Chicano continues to be used as a self-identifier for many Mexican Americans, and is recognized as an important part of American cultural history.